And I know say all the while when we dey talk about this flood case from Maiduguri, Borno State, the president is not in town. Yeah, he's not been in the country. He go China. Visit all the two people call him out. How far? Can't you see what's happening in your country? Anyway, he came back and he went straight to Borno State to meet the Shehu in his palace. The Shehu Palace, now one of those places where water affect. But that's not it for me. I started hearing the president making some statements that are quite funny. Very funny. Like statements we would not expect from him. The president say, you know, if they come back to Nigeria before, say he was going to go straight to America. Say, John look and say, supposed to see the Shehu, even if I have a fight. I'll play you this video. Watch this.
To me, Shehu, I'm just here to sympathize with you.
Okay.
I know your palace was overtaken by flood.
That's true.
I've had the report. My vice president gave me details. But to me personally, I know I have to cut off. I was going directly to America.
Wow.
But to be with you, if only for 5 minutes, share the moment. I thank you very much for your leadership, for various prayers. This is one disaster that we must pay attention to.
Okay.
We will.
You will.
Help Borno State.
What they clap?
Your Excellency, the Governor, I could see the commitment and love shown across the board.
It don't do. His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu left Nigeria on the 29th of August. Today is 16. He has been away from this country for 18 days. 18 days is 2 weeks and 4 days. And if not for the flood in Borno, he was going to America. After spending 2 weeks and 4 days, after the shores of his country, he was going to America. And I see what I vote. How many of you can employ staffs that will leave work for 2 weeks and 4 days and they are still going somewhere? Now work, you can't work. I mean, on vacation, you can't do your Excellency. Talk true. Where's the way you hustle the election? To serve Nigerians, I mean, Nigeria will serve you. Who they serve who? Because it doesn't make sense to me anymore. You go waste my economy, still waste my data. This small news when you want to talk now, I use. And the boy is sweet, eh? America. I don't know how it makes sense to people. How many times America they go? So many times you don't say Biden come out the country for 2 weeks. No, 2 weeks plus, and you are still going to America. How many times you don't? Since you did this country as president, you have gone to France, gone to England, gone here. How many of those presidents you don't see here? I mean, you just go stay there, make your papers so complete, make you get enough staying time, make a new citizenship. You yourself, you don't be shakpa. It's not adding up, Your Excellency. You are taking the country for granted. And that's why you are running the economy aground. It's obvious to the blind and visible to the deaf. Let me twist it. Stay at home and do your job. I'm not saying they travel alone. You go with governors and ministers. They don't go leave their office and portfolios, they'll fly, go. Their ministries go to suffer here. Then they'll tell us, maybe we be here. Maybe we take the heat. I don't get it anymore. Anyway, I say my cut off my mind before I don't ask go call you get one man not give them publicity. If it makes sense to you people, another election is coming again. When they did the last election 2020, another one is coming again 2027. Vote am again. I never see anything.